Hello and welcome back to a new product review. Are you struggling with a double chin and looking for an easy solution? The Stylia Double Chin Mask is here to help. Infused with natural ingredients, this chin mask targets your jawline, promoting enhanced definition for a sharper, more sculpted look. It's designed to support the skin's natural firmness, gently caressing the natural curves of your face. This mask boosts your facial outline, offering a more defined look with regular use. Not only does the Stylia Double Chin Mask help in contouring, but it also revitalizes and hydrates your skin. Enriched with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera, it moisturizes and refreshes your complexion, leaving it lively and radiant. This chin strap is ethically produced, vegan, and cruelty-free. It's dermatologically tested, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. You can use it confidently, knowing it's safe and effective. Using the Stylia Double Chin Mask is simple. Just unfold, apply, and relax for 30 minutes. It's designed to be soft on the ears, unlike other neck masks, providing a comfortable experience. Whether you're preparing for a special event or just want to enhance your daily skincare routine, the Stylia Double Chin Mask is an excellent choice.